Let's discuss some more problem on miscellaneous type of questions in definite integration. So second problem. The problem says In is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power nx dx. And we have to calculate limit n tending towards infinity n into In plus 2. So we will firstly calculate In plus 2, which is equal to tan to the power nx plus tan to the power n plus 2x integration from 0 to pi by 4 as a whole dx. In plus 2 is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power nx tan squared x plus 1 dx. Tan squared x plus 1 is sec squared x. By the property sec square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Tan to the power nx into sec squared x dx 0 to pi by 4. This is In plus 2. Tan x is equal to t. We will use substitution. Sec squared x dx is dt. So this will convert to dt. 0 to 1 t to the power n dt is equal to In plus 2. Now we will do this integration and we will get Tn plus 1 by n plus 1 from 0 to 1. The limit will be changed as we have done substitution. So n into In plus 2 is equal to n into this, which is equal to n into 1 by n plus 1 minus 0. Now we have to calculate limit n tending towards infinity n into In plus 2, which is equal to n by n plus 1 limit n tending towards infinity, which is 1. So our answer is 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 3, which is we have to calculate the value of I, where I is minus 1 to 1, integration from minus 1 to 1, greatest integer of x square plus log 2 plus x by 2 minus x whole dx. This is a mixture of questions of odd even property and some of the graph based question which we have done based on GIF and fractional part. So we can see this is an odd function. So minus 1 to 1 log of 2 plus x by 2 minus x. This is 0 as this is odd. So and then the question remains to us that we have to integrate from minus 1 to 1 greatest x square dx. This is I plus 0. And now as we can see that this is an even function. We can prove it. Fx is greatest x square. F of minus x is also greatest x square because minus x whole square is this only. So it is an even function. So our I becomes 2 into 0 to 1 greatest of x square plus 1 plus 0. Now this can be easily calculated. We can do it by graph method also, but it would be lengthy. So we can do it just by limit breaking. So 2 into x varies from 0 to 1. So x square varies from 0 to 1. So the value of this inner thing when x varies from 0 to 1 is from 0 to 1. So the greatest integer of anything which varies from 0 to 1 is 0. So it will become 0, 2 into integration from 0 to 1. dx. So this hence it comes to be 0. So the answer is 0. Let's take another problem. Problem number 4. This is a problem which is a mixture of Newton-Leibniz theorem and application of derivative. So what we have to do is we have to find equation of tangent to the curve, and the curve is y is equal to integration x square to x cube dt by under root 1 plus t square at x equal to 1. So we have to do this. It's very easy. Just you have to know the meaning of tangent and Newton-Leibniz theorem. So firstly, to find tangent equation, we need a point and slope. So point is given 1 comma, and when x we will put x to 1, then x square is 1 and x cube is also 1. So y integration from 1 to 1, so y would be 0 at x equal to 1. 1 comma 0 is the point, and slope we can calculate by differentiation. So dy by dx is equal to, our integration is dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x to the power 6 under root 3x square minus 2x by under root 1 plus x to the power 4. This is our dy by dx. Now putting, and we are calculating dy by dx at x equal to 1. We will put x equal to 1 and 3 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2. This we will get 1 by root 2. So we can easily write the equation now. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is 1 by root 2, x is 1 y1 is 0. You get the equation. Very easy. Next problem. Next problem is a very good one. I will give it as a homework and we will discuss it in the next. It is given that f dash of x is equal to fx plus 0 to 1 fx, and f0 is given as 1. Then we have to calculate, we have to find fx. It is a very good question. You must try. We will discuss it in the next class. Let's look at some more problem. Let's look at a question which is mixing of fifth problem, which is mixing of functions and integration. So it is given that fx is a function satisfying f of 1 by x plus x square into fx is equal to 0 for all x greater than 0. For all x not equal to 0. Then we have to calculate integration from sine theta to cosec theta fx dx. It is a very simple problem. Just